Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate each and every one of you being here and listening to me rattle on for just a few minutes each day about my 25-day Advent box from Soft Squares. So I have so far enjoyed everything that Lynn and her team have put in here. It's been pretty amazing, things that I've not seen, things I did not know about, and definitely been a good value for the investment that I made in this Christmas box, in this Advent box. So we are on day 7. So I cannot believe an entire week into December has already arrived. And how crazy is that? I mean, we blink and it's going to be Christmas and then the new year. It's just, this month is just going by way too fast. But with all of that said, we are on day 7. Obviously, we have an idea of what is inside here because this packaging was more clear. She may have intended that. She may not have intended that. I have no idea, but it doesn't matter. I am opening up day 7, my friends. So let's reach in and see. So this is actually a storage box. So it's like an art bin box, which is interesting because I'll be honest, when I looked at this and saw it through the bag, I thought, oh, this is going to be one of those little canvas set in the set up, that you as home decor, right? But apparently not. So let's look in here. She always puts a note in, and today says, here are a bunch of fun little notions. Quilters go through a lot of these things, so hopefully they are needed in your quilting room. And the 7x7 plastic storage box is the best notion of all. So I would fully agree with that. And she is right. So she did put in Mary Ellen's Best Press. She gave us 2 bottles of that. It is Caribbean Beach and Cherry Blossom. That's fine. I don't use Best Press by Mary Ellen. I tend to use Magic. It is what I like and what has worked best for me. But I do appreciate having small bottles like this because it is nice to toss those in my quilt club bag. So when I am at the club or doing things more remote, I have this type of stuff and I don't have to worry about carrying the bigger bottles. She gave us a So Easy basting glue pen, which is absolutely kind of hilarious. So I do not glue baste. I hate binding. It drives me nuts. And just recently, I have bought all kinds of different glues, all types of glue sticks, just everything, trying to figure out what best method works for me. The best method I found that I really like is this crazy So Easy basting glue pen. So the fact that she just gave me another one is amazing because I have a couple of them, but you go through these probably much faster than I realized. She also gave us a Soft Squares, I am assuming like needle minder is what I would call it. So it's just a tube. Oh, you know what? It's probably for bobbins. And I have several bobbin things, but I also enjoy keeping something like this to keep disposable needles in. So a lot of times I'll keep my needles in here. But I'm going to tell you this is a bobbin case now that I think about it. She also gave us some tapes, and she gave us 3 different ones. So this one obviously is to mark your machine right around the 1/4 inch and all of that. I have some of that. I have used that. But then she also gave us, let's do something creative every day. Just a really cute tape. So I do like that. And then she also gave us this one that says, Sewing Mends the Soul. And this one is really cute as well. So some nice tapes, cute little bag. And then she gave me magic pens. So what's interesting is I absolutely hate the pen. I know that comes as a shock. But I have found when I do need a pen, I really do like using these magic pens. And this one has both the flathead pens and the fork pens. So I appreciate these because I have very few of these. And most of them have come out of boxes like this. So I'm slowly kind of getting converted over. So I am thrilled that she actually put in 2 for us. And she did different sizes. So we've got no, they're same size. Yeah, same size. But she gave us 2 sets. So I really am happy and appreciative that she did that because I am trying to kind of get converted over to that. And then she also gave us a needle minder. And that is a really cute sewing machine. And I know Mr. Carl, my buddy in Florida, is eating his heart out because I got the green sewing machine. Now, if you've seen Barney, my Singer 301, you know that I'm a huge purple fan, but I appreciate the green. Anything besides pink for a change, right? So, guys, overall, very happy with this box. Definitely different, but something that we can all use and probably all need at some point. And so let me see if I can get this back in. I may or may not be successful in doing that. And she always gives us a daily value. And for day 7, she says this is a $16 retail value. So I have to say, if anything, what I'm finding is I think she's a little conservative on her pricing, but I do appreciate that she gives us a running total each day. And definitely between the 7x7 box and all the goodies in here, she's only got this value to add $16, which I think is pretty cool. So thanks for dropping in. Thanks for listening to me rattle on, go through a few of the things that she added into this box. I can't wait to get to day 8 and see what day 8 brings us. And as always, I appreciate you being here. And until next time, happy crafting.